If you've been trying to calm your mind, but your thoughts keep racing, believe me, you're not alone. And it's not a willpower issue. I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of people to lower their stress level, calm the overwhelm, by teaching them gentle self-help tools. EFT is one of those tools. And in this video, I'm going to describe to you what EFT is, how it works, and when it can be the most beneficial. So realize that your mind is continually scanning for danger. That's just the way that we are wired, unless we do something to interrupt that pattern. So your mind is continually scanning for danger, and when that happens, then your body is not at ease. When your body is not at ease, then it agitates the mind, and it just keeps going on in this cycle. So unless you interrupt the pattern, you're going to have those racing thoughts. What EFT does is it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. And by just tapping on a few facial and torso points, while thinking of something that's stressing you out, you can lower that stress level. You can become calm again. And when that happens, well, first of all, EFT uses modern psychology with acupressure. And when you're doing the tapping, what it does is it calms your nervous system. It calms your brain, especially this little organ that's in the back of your brain. It's called the amygdala, and it is the alarm system of the body. That's where the fight, flight, or freeze signal comes from. By going through and tapping on these points, that settles down the amygdala. It calms your body, so it calms your emotions, and it calms your thoughts. So EFT is not, it's not doing affirmations. It's not just positive thinking. Those things will never work if you don't have a calm body. Your mind won't be calm. So just by going through and tapping, you can settle your body, you can settle your emotions, and settle your thoughts. So think about it. When you get upset and you feel that you're not at ease, what is it in your system that bothers you the most? Is it feeling tension in your body? Is it feeling angry or overwhelmed or fearful? Or is it that your thoughts just keep racing? So just keep that in mind. And EFT is one tool that will help in certain situations, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed, when you're feeling tired. I've even used it for pain. And it's one tool, but there are other tools. And a video that I'm going to be doing later this week, I'm going to be comparing when you should use EFT and when you can use the other tool. I'm also going to be doing a workshop in a couple of weeks where I'm going to be leading you step by step as to when it's best to use EFT, how you can use it, along with other tools that I've got in my toolbox. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, if you feel a little bit better after doing it, in fact, I'm going to leave you with a little bit of a bonus here. Whenever you might feel just scared or you're feeling anxious, just tap right under your eye right here. This is actually an acupressure point for the stomach, but it will help whenever you might feel anxious. So that's one point that you can tap on whenever you're feeling out of sorts, whether it's your body's feeling tense or your emotions are running or your thoughts are just running. And if you'd like to go a little bit deeper with this, I created another video that you can take a look at, EFT for beginners, and you can access that right here.